All right, we're back with kind of the second half of this pinch pot demonstration. The first half we were talking about pinching that bottom, feeling it. We're trying to go for about 1/2 of an inch in our thickness of our pinch pots. And what I know that sometimes happens is after I continue to pinch this over and over and over again, rotating it, I might not be able to actually reach all the way down to the bottom there with just one hand. And so what I like to do is still use this inside left thumb and putting it down towards the bottom, but then using this hand that I'm usually holding and spinning, and I'm going to use these 4 fingers as almost a substitute for these ones. So I'm going to continue to turn it and pinching between these 4 fingers and my thumb to help get that down to 1/2 of an inch. Okay? Now once I've gotten the bottom, I can start working my way up towards the middle and the top of the pinch pot. Again, I'm rotating, I'm doing small, quick little pinches. I'm not trying to do pinch too much at one time. You'll see if you really pinch really hard, you'll get these big finger divots, as well as probably some large cracks that happen inside either the pinch pot or the rim, which is why we don't want that. And so we want small little pinches. If you do see cracks start to develop, it's okay to just take your finger and smooth out those cracks as they develop. Okay. Once you've done that, you can go back to pinching and pinching. And again, at this point, I'm going to pinch all the way from the top and kind of work my way down to about that halfway point where I ended my first pinching, and just kind of moving back up and down the sides of my walls as I spin this. Pinch pots take a little bit of time, okay? And so be okay with this taking 5, 6, 7 minutes of you actually pinching. Again, if your arm gets tired, we're gonna spin it, and you're going up and down, feeling the sides of the walls, making sure that it's about 1/2 of an inch thick all the way around. Now, if you really get tired, right, or you need to go do something happens, and you ever need to send this pinch pot down, okay? I only ever want you to do that on the rim. So I never want to see pinch pots be set up like this. Okay, we want these nice round shapes. If we do that, gravity is going to take effect and we're going to have a flat side to our pinch pot. In addition, we never want to set it on the table like this and start to pinch. Right? That's a really big no-no. Right? We don't like that. So if you ever need to set this down, set it on its lip. Right? Set it on that flat part. Okay, that air trapped inside there helps this to keep its shape. Okay, and then you can come back and spin and start to pinch again. Okay, and the last thing is after you've pinched and pinched and pinched, you're working till it's all the way about 1/2 of an inch. You'll get something that looks like this. Okay, I've pinched, I've felt that this is about 1/2 of an inch all the way around. I've come back and smoothed out all of the cracks on the lip, on the rim, even on the back side here, trying to get that nice, even, round pinch pot shape that's 1/2 of an inch thick all the way around.